Use the washing machine. Ensure that the washing machine switch is turned on, which is right here. Put the detergent right here. Open the door, place the clothes right in. Set it up to the different washing cycles as per your needs. However, we'll go for the mix and just press. It's a 1 hour wash cycle which has washing and drying as well. And just press start. Here the door lock, that means the door won't open till the washing cycle is over. Once it's over, you'll hear the same click again, which will then only your door will be able to be opened.